In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a banner in Webador. To begin, log into your Webador account and open the website editor for the site where you want to add a banner. Once you are inside the editor, navigate to the specific page where you want the banner to appear. After opening that page, locate the gear icon at the upper left-hand side of your screen, which represents the page settings. When you click on this icon, you will see two options for the page layout, one without a banner and one with a banner. Select the option that says with banner and then click on Save. After saving, you will immediately see the banner added to your page. To customize the banner, click on the Edit option located at the center of the banner. From the left-hand side of your screen, you can make changes such as adding a title with a subheading, or a title with a button. You can also add a video to make the banner more visually engaging, or add an image by clicking on the New Image option. From there, you can choose an image from the available stock images, or upload an image from your device if you are on a business plan. Once you are satisfied with the banner design and content, simply click on the Save option to apply your changes. And this is how you can add a banner in Webador.